In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Substack in 2025. Whether you're a first-time visitor or a seasoned reader looking to make the most out of your Substack experience, I'll guide you through everything you need to know as a reader. So, let's dive right in. First, you'll want to start by heading over to substack.com. This is your gateway to a world of diverse newsletters and content from writers around the globe. Once you're there, the next step involves either creating a new account or signing in if you already have one. You can easily do this by using your email address, which will allow you to access and manage your subscriptions seamlessly. Now that you're signed in, look for the Explore button. This is your key to discovering new newsletters and writers. By using this feature, you can browse through a wide array of topics, or even search for specific writers or keywords that interest you. Substack's vast library makes it easy to find content that resonates with you, whether you're into tech, lifestyle, or niche interests. When you find a writer or newsletter that piques your interest, you'll arrive at the writers page. Here, you'll notice a prominent subscribe button. This is your doorway to staying updated with their work. If you decide to subscribe, you'll have the option of choosing between a free or paid subscription. This choice depends on the writer's setup and your own preferences. A free subscription allows you to receive posts without any charge, while a paid subscription generally offers access to exclusive content and can be a great way to support your favorite creators. Once subscribed, reading posts is incredibly straightforward. Simply click on the title of any post to begin reading. Substack makes the experience enjoyable with easy-to-read layouts, ensuring your focus stays on the content. Engagement is a big part of what makes Substack special. If the writer allows it, you'll have the ability to comment directly on the posts. This interaction not only benefits you by letting you express your thoughts and questions, but also fosters a small community around each post. Liking posts and sharing them on social media is another feature you can utilize. It's a simple way to show appreciation for the content you enjoy and share it with your network, potentially drawing more readers to the writer's work. There you have it. By following these steps, you'll be navigating Substack like a pro in 2025, accessing a wide range of content while supporting creators whose work you love. Whether you're here to learn, be inspired, or simply have a good read, Substack offers it all. Happy reading.